Student, you are going to learn capacitance of parallel plate capacitor without any medium between the plates. This means that you have two parallel plates, they are kept d distance apart, and between the plates there is vacuum or air. This means that no medium. Air is considered as vacuum here. So first of all, we draw the diagram for this. Let us draw a diagram. Here we are taking two parallel plates. This is plate number 1. This is plate number 2. These two plates are connected with a potential source. This is the potential V here. So charge Q will be moved. So plus charge will accumulate in this plate. So this is plus Q here. Minus will accumulate in this plate. So it is minus Q here. Let the plate area is a area of plate. And let D is the distance between these plates. Then from plus charge plate to minus charge plate, electric field will be moved. So electric field is from plus to minus charge. Electric field indicated by E here, E naught, which is equals to sigma by epsilon naught. E naught equal to sigma by epsilon naught. You have learned from my last video lecture. And here is vacuum, or you can say air. Then you have to find the capacitance C. You have to find the relation C naught is equals to what? You have to find the equation. For that, we know that the relation between electric field E and potential gradient is, we know electric field E magnitude is equals to potential gradient. So write here E naught here, because we have taken E naught here. So what will be E naught here? E naught is sigma by epsilon naught, which is equals to V upon D. So what you have sigma here? Sigma is Q by A epsilon naught, which is equals to V by D, because you know that sigma, surface charge density, is Q by epsilon naught. You know it. So from here you have V is equals to Q D upon A epsilon naught. So you have this formula. Now you know that we again know what we know. C is equals to Q by V. So write here C naught and put the value of V from this equation. So V is equals to Q D upon A epsilon naught. Cancel this Q. So you have A epsilon naught upon D. This is C naught. This is the equation for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor without any medium between the plates. This equation shows that C naught is directly depends on area. This means that if you increase the area of the plates, then epsilon naught will be increases, and C naught is proportional to 1 by D, inversely proportional between distance between two plates. This means that if distance will be decreases, then capacitance increases, and if distance increases, then capacitance decreases. So thus we have learned C naught equals to A epsilon naught upon D. Let us have a question based on this, a numerical. Let us see a numerical based on this topic. Here I am giving you a parallel plates. Area of the plates is given to you. Area is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. Let distance D of the plate is 3 millimeter. Now this plate is connected to a battery source of 100 volt. Then here plus charge will be accumulated, here minus will be accumulated, then plus charge. What is the magnitude of plus charge? Here minus charge. What is the magnitude of minus charge? And C naught value will be what? You have to find this. So we have the formula C naught equals to A epsilon naught upon D. Number A part. You know that the value of A given is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3, and the value of epsilon naught is 8.854 10 to the power minus 12. You know it. And the value of D is 3 millimeter. So it convert into SI. It is 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So 3 millimeter equals to, this is equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now cancel this 3 with 6. You get 2 here. multiply this to 8.854. 2 into 4 you have 8 here, 2 into 5 you have 10, 0, 1 in the remainder memory. 2 into 8 here you have 16 plus 1 17, 2 into 8 16 plus 1 17, 1 2 3 dots here, puts here a dot, and this 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3 will cancel out, so you have 10 to the power minus 12. This is farad. 10 to the power minus 12 is said to be pico. So this is equals to 17.708 picofarad, which is nearly equals to 18 picofarad. You have learned it is 18 picofarad. Now you have to find the charge Q, second part, number B part. Charge Q you have to find, since positive charge magnitude equals to negative charge magnitude equals to Q. And you know that Q equal to C naught into B here. So C naught equals to 18 picofarad and B is 100 volt given. So you have 1800 picocoulomb. Thus you understand what is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor without any medium between the plate. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.